The digestive system is the set of organs involved in the transformation of food into nutrients that can be absorbed by the cells of the human body. It includes the digestive tract and the digestive glands. The digestive tract is a long muscular tube through which the ingested food travels. It's composed of several organs and is used to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate fecal matter. The digestive tract includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. When food is ingested, it enters the digestive tract through the mouth. The mouth is a cavity lined with mucous membrane. It includes some supporting structures, such as the teeth and tongue, which participate in the chewing and mixing of food. Once chewed and mixed, the food forms a food bolus, which is also called an alimentary bolus, which is then directed to the pharynx. The pharynx is a muscular duct connecting the mouth, nasal cavity, larynx, and esophagus. It's a shared route between the respiratory and digestive systems. The pharynx also includes the uvula and epiglottis, two cartilaginous structures involved in swallowing that help direct the food bolus to the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube, approximately 25 centimeters long. The contraction of its walls, called peristalsis, allows the food bolus to be propelled towards the stomach. The stomach is a muscular pouch where food is temporarily stored. The food is stirred and partially digested to form a slurry called chyme. The chyme is then passed into the small intestine. The small intestine is the longest organ in the digestive system. This tube, made of muscles, is about 7 meters long. Its inner wall is covered with small hair-like projections called intestinal villi. It's mainly in the small intestine that digestion is completed and nutrients are absorbed into the blood or lymph capillaries. The contents of the small intestine, called chyle, are then moved to the large intestine. The large intestine is the last organ of the digestive tract. It is a tube made of muscles in which chyle is gradually transformed into fecal matter, or feces. These are then evacuated through the anus during defecation. Digestive glands are glands whose secretions contribute to the breakdown of food. Digestive glands include the salivary glands, gastric glands, liver, pancreas, and intestinal glands. The salivary glands are located mainly under the tongue and at the back of the oral cavity. They produce saliva. The gastric glands are embedded in the inner wall of the stomach at the bottom of microscopic cavities. They produce gastric juice. The liver is the largest gland in the human body. It secretes bile, which is stored in the gallbladder before being released to the small intestine through a duct. Pancreas is a digestive gland located behind the lower part of the stomach. It produces pancreatic juice, which is carried by a duct to the small intestine. The intestinal glands are digestive glands integrated directly into the inner wall of the small intestine. They are located at the bottom of the cavities between the intestinal villi. They produce intestinal juice. By combining the actions of the digestive tract and the digestive glands, the digestive system enables the blood to absorb the nutrients required for the body to function properly.